Local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Melissa Ivinson and thanks for joining us. Indiana is number 4 in the number of car-train collisions. But why do so many cars get caught in the tracks? Last year, there were 142 crashes between cars and trains. Indiana Operation Lifesaver Executive Director Tom Kinzer says almost all of them were caused by the car drivers.
Because a train will not stop, cannot stop for you.
The Rail Crossing Safety Organization says an 8-passenger train going 60 miles an hour takes almost a mile to stop.
The engineer would actually have to start putting his brakes on before he even saw the vehicle to be able to stop at a crossing, which is, of course, ridiculous.
Madison County Sheriff Department Captain Rick Garrett says when drivers approach railroad tracks, they should not just pay attention to the posted signs. They should also slow down and look both ways before crossing the tracks to make sure there is no train coming.
Also, after one train is clear, they need to wait a short time, a few seconds, to make sure there's not a second train coming on another track.
This CKS train hit a car in Carthage yesterday.
We have a stop sign that says stop, and it is not optional. This is what drives you crazy. These are not an option sign.
Most time the driver is just in too much of a hurry. They want to wait for a train.
But it is better to be safe than sorry.
When you race a train, there's no ties. And generally, you're going to lose.
The number of car-train collisions in Indiana is down from 175 crashes in 2002 when the state was second to Texas. Muncie's Theresa Taylor is planning another trip to help Hurricane Francis victims after seeing the effects of Charlie.
My mom and I and Daddy pulled over and took a picture of it. Was somebody's trailer, and there was a tree on top of it, and the roof was gone, and the whole side of the trailer was gone, and their personal belongings were just everywhere.
Taylor organized the second mission, but she is still looking for a truck to deliver the supplies to Florida. Now here's Jennifer Cook with a look at tonight's forecast. Jennifer.
Thanks, Alyssa. Tonight we're going to see partly cloudy skies. We're also going to see a cooler 58 degrees, breezy conditions with winds at 11 to 16 miles per hour. They're going to increase as the day progresses tomorrow to 15 to 17 miles per hour. We're going to see a high of 73. Alyssa?
Thanks, Jennifer. And that's Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tomorrow morning for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.